sliding my brand new drive shaft all over the ground. And the drive shaft does not fit. So I measured this at 47 inches, but they made it at 50 inches. I don't know why, but it doesn't fit. So I'll be bringing that back to them. It's pretty disappointing, but at least they have a fast turnaround time, so I'm sure they can take care of me. So I guess for now, we'll install my intercooler pipes and the intercooler. Since my car was non-turbo, there was no holes here or over here, so I'll have to drill my own. And I have this neat little hole saw here. Give me a nice clean cut. Pretty upsetting that the drive shaft is the wrong length, but I gave that back to them and they'll get that fixed up. Should be done on Monday. So for now, I'm gonna install these gauges. So this is the air-fuel ratio, that's the boost gauge, and that's the holder that just goes on a pillar. But I did get some things done, like the intercooler is on. I'm just waiting on some clamps. I ran out of those. I got the radiator hoses hooked up, and I got some water in there. I'm gonna flush it out later anyways. So just water for now. And to install that wideband sensor, I had Andre weld on a little bung on the downpipe. I don't think you can see that, but that's on there. So yeah, that's just gonna go on right here on the pillar. And yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So it's been a couple of days, but I got the AFRs and boost gauge installed. No wires hanging down here. So it's a pretty clean install. And just power it on. So that's all working. And also, I don't know if you can see this, but I got the drive shaft on there. It's the correct length now, so that's good. Gear oil's in there, and all the intercooler pipings are on. So we're just about ready to start this thing up. Our cable fell off. So the RB is running, and it was running good, but then it started misfiring pretty bad, and it looks like the coil packs went bad. I guess it got hot and just killed itself. So I gotta try and find out locally. Hopefully someone has it. If not, then this won't be making it to Nissan Fest, unfortunately. But we'll see. Hopefully I can find someone. But I guess I'll start it up and show you what it sounds like running on 3 cylinders. Oh, it died. But yeah, it looks like it's running on 3 cylinders, which is half the engine, so kind of makes sense that it would die out. So yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for this one.